In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a quiz in PowerPoint. Whether you're an educator looking to assess your students, a professional gauging client knowledge, or simply someone interested in making presentations more interactive, adding a quiz to your PowerPoint presentation can significantly enhance engagement and interaction. The process of inserting a quiz into PowerPoint is relatively straightforward, but there are a few preliminary steps we should take to ensure that your presentation runs smoothly, without any unnecessary hiccups. The first thing you want to do is launch Microsoft PowerPoint. If you have a specific presentation in mind where you'd like to incorporate your quiz, go ahead and open it from the opening screen by selecting it from the list of recent documents or browsing for it in your files. Before we dive into the quiz creation process, a pro tip is to manage the size of your PowerPoint file. High-resolution images can drastically increase the size of your presentation, leading to longer loading times and potential performance issues during your presentation. To avoid this, you might want to compress these images. Here's how. After opening your PowerPoint presentation, click on any image you've added to your slides. On the PowerPoint ribbon, you'll see a tab labeled Picture Format. Click on it to reveal a set of formatting options specifically for images. Among these options, find and click on Compress Pictures. A dialog box will appear, and you'll want to ensure that the option for Use Default Resolution is selected. This automatically adjusts all selected images to a resolution that balances quality and file size. After making this selection, click OK to apply the compression. But why stop there in optimizing your presentation? Another insightful tip is to adjust how PowerPoint saves your images, reducing the file size even further. From the top menu, click on File, and then select Options from the list on the left-hand side. This will open a PowerPoint Options dialog box. Navigate to Advanced and scroll down until you find the Image Size and Quality section. Here's a little tweak that can make a big difference. Check the box for Discard Editing Data. This removes any excess image data not needed for the presentation to function, effectively slimming down your file size. Additionally, under the default resolution, select the lowest resolution option available. This modifies the default saving resolution for all images in the presentation, further shrinking the file size. Once done, hit OK to save these settings. Why go through the effort of compressing images and adjusting saving options? Presentations, especially those shared online or via email, benefit greatly from being as lightweight as possible. It ensures your presentation is accessible and runs smoothly, regardless of the viewer's hardware capabilities. Moreover, with a smaller file size, your presentation will be easier to distribute and quicker to load, keeping your audience engaged right from the start. Now, with your PowerPoint file optimized, you're all set to add engaging quizzes to your slides. This preparation ensures your presentations are not only interactive, but also perform seamlessly, making your message clear and your audience engaged. Remember, the journey to creating compelling and informative presentations is an ongoing one. These steps to optimize your file beforehand demonstrate your commitment to delivering quality content. Not only have you learned how to insert quizzes into your PowerPoints today, but you've also picked up on essential tips for ensuring your presentations are efficient and impactful. Stick around for more tips and tutorials that will help you become a PowerPoint pro, making your presentations stand out and your message heard. Whether in the classroom, boardroom, or any platform in between, your prowess in creating engaging and efficient presentations will undoubtedly make an impact. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.